Welcome to Card Corner. These are the cards. That's the corner. You guys hyped for World Cup? Well, today we're opening these 1992 Major League Soccer Pacific Plus trading cards. Now, you're not going to find any of the players in this World Cup coming up, but you might find their dads. These ones sold for 79 cents back in 1992, I guess. I got these for probably about a quarter in 2022. Let's see who we see. It's Wichita Wings defender, Tom Sohan. Now, I don't know if any of the players are going to be famous, so we're going to rate these on design, player attitude and demeanor. So far, so good from Ralph Black of the Tacoma Stars. Here we have Wichita Wings defender, Terry Rowe. And the San Diego Sockers team members, MLS All-Stars. Next up is Kansas City Comets defender, Kim Rowantved. Oh, and we got a coach card. It's Trevor Dawkins of the Cleveland Crunch. I like that team name. Here's another Wichita Wings goalie, it looks like. Good hair on him. Victor Moreland. Oh, we got one more. Ward Hermes of the San Diego Sockers. The Sockers who play soccer, get it? All right, I think the best card in the first pack was Trevor Dawkins, the coach. Although, everything is just relative. Here's Kansas City Comets forward David Doyle. Check out their logo. It's Comet. Nice face on Fernando Clavillo of the St. Louis Storm. Another Crunch player, David Hogan. Emil Maybe I can, it'll be easier if I can read it properly. Emil Dragicevic. There he is fighting for the ball. Oh, I do like how it's like different photos on the back. Adds a little bit of variety. Oh, we got another coach. It's the head coach of the Sockers, Ron Newman. And here we got Joe Waters of the Tacoma Stars. Boria and Clavillo. They're all-stars. It looks like they were on opposite teams. Here they are posing after. That's a nice shot. Playing in his 6th consecutive MLS All-Star games, Chico was named the game's MVP. Boria began his MSL career with the Las Vegas Americans in 1988. In the 1988 All-Star Game, he scored 1 goal and 2 assists while helping the Western Division defeat the Eastern Division by a score of 9-3. Thrilling. Chico was a member of the 1984 U.S. Olympic team. Good for him. Here we have the Baltimore Blast goalkeeper, Hank Henry. Nice. That's a good name. Kansas City Comets defender, Doug Neely. Beto. Nice. I like when they have only one name, like Pele. Rick Snyder. Daniel Donegan. All right, so in pack number 2, we got some nice ones. We got Hank Henry, Ron Newman, another coach, and Beto. Let's see if we can go 6 for 6 with coaches. Ooh, some of these cards are a little worn from being in the packs for 30 years, but anyway, here's Tim Whitman, Todd Strobeck. He's the goalie. Looks like he's going to throw the ball. Doc Lawson from the Sidekicks. Jan Guzens, part of the Kansas City Comets. Here we got Mark Fredrickson. His name almost does not fit on the card. It's so long. Otto Orff, another goalie. Hector Marinaro. Dale Irvine, the Wichita Wings. Rusty Torrey. Mark Carpin. Lynn Venable. And Doug McLagan. All right, we didn't get a coach one that time. So, fortunately, we're not going 6 for 6 with coaches, but maybe we'll get 2 in this 4th pack. All right, this time we got Zoltan Toth, goalie. Theo Colston, Chico Boria. He was the guy that was all buddy-buddy. Oh, where'd he go? No, I lost him. Oh well. Paul Doherty. Ralph Black. I think we saw this hair before, but just want to show you guys again. Terry Rowe. Bruce Savage. Oh, looks like we got a double. This is a good time to tell you guys if you want to trade, you want the San Diego Sockers or 2 of the San Diego Sockers soccer team, then you can see the trading info on the About page on the YouTube channel, and that shows you how to trade with me. You can trade for this. You can trade for Trevor Dawkins, the coach card, and we can work something out. Kim Rowentved. Hard to read downwards sometimes. Kim Rowentved. Mike Fox. Giving a little Luigi kick. Oh, and we got doubles. Trevor Dawkins. So I guess there's not actually that many teams in the MLS at this point. St. Louis, Kansas City, Dallas, Baltimore, Wichita, Tacoma. Maybe there's enough. All right, 2 more packs. We've yet to open the Pele card that we did get. Mike Reynolds. John Klein. Eloy Salgado. David Doyle. Oh, these ones are way more stuck together. ML Dragikovic. I already mispronounced that name once. And we're back to the head coach. Oh. Joe Waters. Here's another double Pals card. Hank Henry. I wonder if it's just repeating the packs now. All right. And we got Doug Neely, David Doyle, Fernando Clavio, David Hogan. All right, one more pack. So I can kind of see why I got these for about a quarter a piece. I mean, unless you're really into soccer, I don't think you've ever really heard of Terry Rowe or Bruce Savage or the San Diego Sockers for that matter. Yeah, it looks like these packs are all the same. Yep, there's the third coach. I think I was going to go through and see who has the best hair, but I do think it's probably Victor Moreland. Victor Moreland. Yeah, even the best hair of the 1992 soccer guys. All right. Like I said, please trade me these cards, or you can get some packs. I will not need anything super fancy for them, that's for sure. Card Corner, the cards, and the corner. Take care.